Hi everyone, Surendra this side, and today we will talk about how you can set up OpenClaw, Maltbot or ClawdBot, whatever you want to say it. Right now the official name is OpenClaw. So in today's video we will understand how you can set up OpenClaw in Windows system. I will guide you through the entire process step by step, from installing, setting it up and connecting with your chat apps. And if you don't know about much, you can check out this video which is already live on our channel, where I am talking about OpenClaw, what it is, how you can use it, what are the security concerns, which I am not gonna repeat in this video. So here I am on the official website openclaw.ai. Here you can see the for Windows you have to run this command in PowerShell, right? So I copy from here, and if you are using Mac, you can switch here and use this command. But right now I am using Windows, so I will copy this command and I will go to my terminal and paste this command. What this command will do is install the OpenClaw on your system. After through we have to go through the process of setting it up. Now it's like detecting Windows detected. Okay, node version 24 is found, so it's okay. And one thing I noticed when I did it before, that you need the latest, I think 22 node version. If you have a earlier version, it will automatically update that version for you. So right now it's installing OpenClaw on our Windows. Okay, so after waiting some time, OpenClaw is installed successfully. Now we have to set up it up. This is the most difficult task where people are facing some issues. So we are here to fix it out. So here you have to first of all give the consent that okay, it's risky. I understand. I want to hit here yes because I agree that it's powerful and risky. So okay, then you have to choose the onboarding mode. I highly recommend, if you are starting out with first time, do the quick start, because if you go through the manual process it will take a lot of time and confuse you. So go with the quick start. Right now it's asking me to for some existing thing, because I already set up it out in earlier, but I will say update values. Then it will ask you which AI provider you want to use, because it will need AI API access to perform the task, right? The LLM which you want to use. So there are a lot of options like OpenAI, Anthropic, Minimax, and a lot more. I'm going here with the OpenAI. Then I have to provide the OpenAI keys. Here are two options: either you can give OpenAI Codex access, or you can put your OpenAI API keys. I'm putting here my OpenAI API key here, and I will hide these API keys because of the security concerns. But you just have to put the API keys here. It's asking me that if I can use the current API keys which already are here, because I already set up it out, so I don't have to put it my API keys. But in your case it will ask for API keys, so I'm just saying yes because I can use that existing API key. Now it's asking me for the model. I will go with the current model of ChatGPT 5.0. If you don't understand this, just go with the default. Here is the one of the important tasks where you have to set the channel. If it's running 24/7, you can messages from your Telegram, WhatsApp to do the task. There are a lot of other channels. I highly recommend to go with the Telegram, because I don't think so it's right now, it's new, how much security is I don't know. So you have to go with the Telegram, or you can choose Discord and other, where bot is support in simple word, you can choose that. I'm going with the Telegram and I highly recommend to go with that. It's asking me to right now modify the settings, because I already set up it out as I earlier said, but right now I modify it to show you how it works. So it's asking me to already using the token or using the new token. I said new. Now it's asking for me to enter the bot token. What is bot token? It's a specific token for related to your bot. You have to create a Telegram bot. If you selected the Telegram or any other thing which you selected, then you have to provide the bot. I am telling you to select the Telegram and go with the process which I am telling you. So first of all, you have to create a bot to give the bot token. So to create a new bot, you have to come to this particular channel called Bolt Father. Here you have to come and just write start. When you write start, it will ask you all the things it can do, and I will go with the new bot. That okay, create a new bot for me. All right, a new bot. How are you going to call it? Call it a name. Right now I am calling my name, I want to call it Surendra. Make sure you are not making the same mistake. When you are writing your username of bot, don't forget to add bot at the end, right? So it's 1 2, then you have to give it bot. I hope so now it works. Yep, done. Congratulations. यहाँ पे ये bot है. Then you have the access token. I will hide these access token of course, and you have to copy this access token and provide here. Okay, I got my token and I will paste it here. I will hide the token for security concerns, but you have to put your token here, and then you have to allow Telegram allow from. You have to give the username, so it will allow your Telegram to connect through this channel. Otherwise, it will not able to connect with your gateway. So right now I have to allow my username. I forget even what username I have given. Let me check it out. Cool. Once it's done, Okay, so I am facing a issue where I have to provide a telegram allow from, like it want to know the message is coming from which telegram, so it can allow only that telegram message. So currently I tried to like give the username of my telegram bot, then I tried to give username of my own telegram, and nothing works. At the end, the what works is I have provided my user ID, which I will blur, but you can, how you can get your user ID, you have to just search one bot name, user info bot, and if you start that, it will give you all your details. I will attach a screenshot of that, right? Once it's done, it will ask you to configure the skills. You can always set up it out later, but I recommend to go with the no, because it will take a lot of time. Maybe it's not comfortable in starting for you. I will say no. Then I will skip for now hooks all and all the rest stuffs. For selecting, I will use like tab, and then I will go. Now it's asking me if it to like a gateway service already installed. I will restart that. For that, it will like install the gateway service. For me, it's already installed. You don't have to do anything in this. I will just say restart, and it will start the ClawdBot for me. This is the exact process you have to follow. There is nothing other than this. And after doing this, it will start. You can message your telegram bot and it will get back to you. After there, the entire process is very smooth. You just have to message your telegram bot if you want anything to do. If you followed the entire process, your telegram bot will respond, and you can ask anything to ClawdBot to do. If you want to open your dashboard, you can use like this particular command of OpenClaw. So here is the open gateway where you will receive your message from telegram. If you want to see on your web, you just have to use this particular command OpenClaw dashboard, and it will give you a unique URL where you can use that particular unique URL in your like web browser and chat with the bot, give skills, add configurations, and a lot more things, right? So here is the unique URL which you get with the token. If you open this particular URL in your web browser, you will see something like this where chat, overview, and all other things like skills you can give it. And from here you can start chatting with this and giving a lot of information about you and a lot more things. Here is how you can set up it out. You can message it from your telegram and a lot more things you can do it. But yeah, this is how it works for you. And I will see you in the next video where we more talk about AI.